happened? Cut off? Good grind schoolers, it's your boy Rob. We back in the shop today. So today what we got going down is we are going to take the El Camino to Dash's house. We are going to shoot a video with it, get a bunch of different angles of the car, try to do as much as we possibly can, but we are going to basically test out the QA1 full suspension. I haven't really done a video on it. I want to pretty much just describe how it feels, man. I mean, there's, I can go on and on and on about QA1, man, but the stance is right. If it feels right, it looks good. So we're just gonna chop it up about how the suspension feels. It's kind of difficult to compare it to like obviously a stock suspension, just because of the simple fact that I'm not jumping right from a stock suspension to QA1, but I can definitely tell you how it rides and how it feels, especially with the big wheels on it, with the small tires on it, because it rides over bumps like nothing. It does. It's not super rigid. I'm not ducking potholes like crazy. I still am ducking potholes, don't get me wrong, but not like crazy. It feels planted, everything. So like I said, man, we're just going to go ahead and describe what the QA1 suspension is like. And, yeah, I'm excited, man, because it's a sunny day. The car shined up. It was real clean. So, hopefully all goes well. And, we'll see what it do. Oh, forgot. Before we hit the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time I drop another video. Yeah, let's go. Alright, y'all. We're on our way to Dash's house, man. I'm about to spin over there so we can get this footage in, so we can talk about the full suspension on the Elco. And yeah, man, I mean, everything seems to be solid. Everything seems to be right. So, yeah, man, I'm going to just enjoy this ride over there, listen for anything that might be a problem, and then, just keep it solid. So let me go ahead and spin over there, and we'll chop it when I get there. What happened? Cut off? Running rich. Over here, no problems, right? Driving just fine. A little
switch.
There's gas down here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought I saw a drop on this side. Yeah, you can see it's pulling up right there. Know which one's the gas to lean it out a little bit? I just be getting too much fuel in there.
Damn it, man.
You ever check to see if this was directional?
Huh?
You ever check to see if that filter was directional?
I'll look at it.
Alright. Back of it was just like, yeah.
Gotta go slower.
Oh, you can try it.
I
Yeah.
really want y'all. She's out in the wild, man. You ain't wanna come here. Up against my arm. Front sway bar. Everything, y'all. Everything. And one for the win. I got it idled up because it was dying out on me. But oh man, that's a nice shot there. Yes sir. But anyways, man, like I said, QA1 for the win, y'all. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous, and I can't wait to get her out even more. We're gonna vet some more stuff out. But I'm about to go home and get the car home because it's been dying on me. I don't want it to die no more, so I'm going to just go ahead and do what I got to do, man. But anyway, shout out to Dash for helping me out with this video. Like I said, you can hear it's idling. Dash's garage. You see it's idling pretty high. Like I said, she wanted to die out on me, so we got to get her home and figure it out. I think it's the carburetor. Whenever I stop, it's acting like it wants to die out, so, you know what I mean? We got to get it fixed. All right, y'all. So, the verdict of the Elko. She feels great. I was driving around trying to break her because I need to make sure that she's going to be good when we're out and about. You know, moving and grooving, all kind of stuff. So I did get stopped in traffic, you know what I'm saying? Like the car shut off on me, so I had to get out, adjust the carburetor, do some stuff, try to get the, you know, car to kick back on and kick back on. I was able to get it back to the house. I messed with the carburetor a little bit, and I did have a vacuum leak, and I did adjust it a little bit better. Now the car's kicking on and starting like it should. I've been driving it for a while, probably about an hour or so, something like that. I did hit a nice big bump where I did get a little bit of rubbing, and I think the rear upper control arm, the adjustment came loose, so I'm gonna have to adjust that back to where it was and tighten it up a little bit. But other than that, man, hard cornering, you know, hitting bumps, hitting, you know, dips in the road, rough roads. She did phenomenal, man. That's just a testament to the build quality of QA1, man. I can't stress enough how good and how satisfied I am with driving this car. Before I put the QA1s on here, the car was really, really scary, y'all. It was borderline sketchy, and it felt like I was gonna crash every time I drove the car. But now we updated it to today's standards. It feels amazing, y'all. Like I said, I can't say enough about how the car rides. We're definitely gonna get it out a lot this year and just have so much fun, man. I've been busting my butt all weekend just trying to get it right, get it together so that we could just have fun, man. I don't want to do a whole lot of work all the time. I just want to have fun this summer. So anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time I drop another video. Always remember, work hard so you can live free.